Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mohsin Digital House. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic tool that's perfect for math enthusiasts and educators. The tool is called MathsPad, and you can find the link to it in the description box below. What I love about this tool is its simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for those who want to create engaging math content without getting overwhelmed by complicated features. Let's dive into the tool's features. You'll notice a question mark icon that provides a quick tutorial on using the compass. Next to it is a pencil icon that lets you adjust the pencil's width and color. You'll also find a line tool that's handy for drawing straight lines, graphing, and coordinates. The pencil tool is also great for drawing and writing. Now, let's talk about the compass tool. It's incredibly useful and works just like a real compass. Here's how to use it. If you drag your cursor to the pencil option, the compass will open up, allowing you to take measurements. You can close it by dragging your cursor back. If you drag your cursor to the opposite side of the compass, it will move to a new position without opening or closing. You can also lock the compass's measurement by clicking on the lock icon. To draw an arc or a circle, drag your cursor to the rotate option, marked by a curved arrow. From there, you can create the arc or circle by dragging your cursor around the center point. Other features include a resizable protractor, a ruler for drawing straight lines, and an undo option. You can also clear the entire workspace with just one click by clicking on that CLR option. If you're interested in exploring more interactive tools, I'll provide some links in the description box below, and you can also check out some of the more interactive tools by clicking on this. Here you can see that some of the tools are free and some are paid. Like the dull ones are paid and the bright ones are free to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool helpful in creating engaging math content.